How to change the app language of your TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok, open it, and then when your TikTok is opening as you see, go here on your profile, then click on your profile, then go to this three line here, and then go to settings and privacy, and then go to language here, then click up language, and now you can change whatever you want. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.